at Google, I think we're focused on also faster time to value. How do we get customers who are using BigQuery or adopting our BigQuery data platform? How do we enable them to take all of that rich data and activate it across these many different channels that are out there? If you're a marketeer, you've got a numerous set of channels that you've got customers traversing across. And this is really, I think, where, Chris, the partnership with GrowthLoop started, because we had this gap between the data that was a gold mine, but a gold mine that's not activated is not very valuable, and all of these channels that our marketeers wanted to reach. So GrowthLoop really provides that no code experience or low code experience so that the actual marketeer can activate that data in BigQuery. They can build audiences, they can create different segments, they can assign different marketing campaigns to those segments, and then they can roll out those campaigns across multiple channels. And the reason why we did the partnership with GrowthLoop was just the power of the platform. We wanted to reach those marketeers, and if you're familiar with BigQuery, that means using SQL and coding, whereas marketeers don't have those skills necessarily. So GrowthLoop really gave us that partner that provided the UI experience, but now with your integrations with our generative AI capabilities, it's even more seamless. You know, you can ask for a certain type of segment and the system understands it and builds that audience. So as we see customers using GrowthLoop to, and we've already got some customers doing this today, using GrowthLoop to set up those audiences and to activate those campaigns across channels. I think the other powerful thing is it's not just one channel or one campaign at a time. It's that ability to have multi-channel journeys. And especially with the enterprises that we work with, they want those multi-channel touch points where they can interact with the customer and take them on a journey across those channels, whether it's sales channels or service channels, enabling multiple touch points with a single customer and a story or an ongoing relationship. And I think what's really powerful with the solution that we have here is it's not just activating those campaigns. We can collect all of the data about how a campaign performs. And is it connecting with customers? We can do A/B testing of different analytics models or campaign versions. And all of that data gets written back into BigQuery. So you can get this really good feedback loop where you're deploying these campaigns, you're doing the A/B testing, and then you're getting that rich data back, that feedback loop into BigQuery so that you can understand measurement and performance and ROI on top of those campaigns.
And I think you hit the nail on the head with there's a gold mine being created in the data cloud and AI cloud right now of the intelligence folks have about their customers.